तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, सदा शक्ति सरसाने वाला, प्रेम सुधा बरसाने वाला, वीरों को हर्षाने वाला, मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा, मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, शान न इसकी जाने पाए, चाहे जान भले ही जाए, विश्व विजय करके दिखलाए, तब होए प्रण पूर्ण हमारा, तब होए प्रण पूर्ण हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा।
माता की
जय,
भारत माता की
जय,
भारत माता की
जय।
Principal sir and Arpana Miss to come on the stage. I, Mrs. Meghna Kure, extend a warm welcome to you all on this auspicious occasion of our 75th Independence Day. Respected and Honorable Principal Sir, Mr. Nidharaj Pillai, Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Arpana Pillai, Supervisor, Suraj Sir, my colleagues and all my dear students and parents. Today, I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today is the Diamond Jubilee of our independence. It was on this day that we got our independence, 15th August. It is a memorable day in the history of Indian independence. It was on this day that our Indian won her independence after a long and bitter struggle. At the midnight stroke of midnight, Jawaharlal Nehru read out the thirst of destiny, proclaiming India's independence. He said in his speech, "As the world sleeps, India awakes to life and freedom. We celebrate this day as a festival. After 200 years of slavery under British Empire, it was August 15, 1947 that India became an independent nation. Today, as befitting the day, there are celebrations all over the nation with the national flag being hoisted. There are other programs too to make the function. Today, we are going to have a short function because of the pandemic we are going through. But still, to mark this function, we are gathered here in less number. We remember each and everybody on this day. Our children, our teachers, those who are at home, and we wish each and everyone happy Independence Day. Now to begin with the function, I would like to honor our Principal Sir with a bouquet. I request Mokasha Miss to present him the bouquet. Principal Sir. India is a land of picturesque beauty, the crown of our pride, the land of diversity, the land of culture and tradition. Our country's legacy, history, deep-rooted value bind us one. It is a prominent of peace especially through spirituality. It is a basic and unique quality of India. So, through this song, our teachers are going to tell you the same. Mera Mulk, Mera Desh.
मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन, इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। ए वतन ए वतन ए वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन, इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। इसी मिट्टी से बने तेरे मेरे ये बदन, इसकी धरती तेरे मेरे वास्ते गगन, इसने ही सिखाया हमको जीने का चलन जीने का चलन। इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। ए वतन ए वतन ए वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन, इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। अपने इस चमन को स्वर्ग हम बनाएंगे, कोना कोना अपने देश का सजाएंगे। जश्न होगा जिंदगी का, होंगे सब मगन होंगे सब मगन। इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। ए वतन ए वतन ए वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन, इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। ए वतन ए वतन ए वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन, इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। मेरा तन मेरा मन मेरा तन मेरा मन। भारत माता की जय।
बहुत खूब टीचर्स, बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से गाया है आपने। हमारा मुल्क भारतवर्ष हमारे लिए फक्र की बात है। We have born in independent India, but we must always remember those martyrs who gave their life. We got independence like a chocolate. So we must not forget the sacrifices done by our ancestors, because they gave their life. They have served in the British Empire, and they have gone through the tortures. So we must remember them and we must respect their sacrifices. Now to go further on to our program, I request our Mary Miss to give a speech. Always our children are doing it overwhelmingly, but today children are not there. So Mary Miss will do on behalf of all the staff members and children.
Most Honorable Principal Sir, Mr. Nitiraj Pillai, Admirable Vice Principal Madam, Mrs. Arpana Nitiraj Pillai, Sterling Supervisors, Mrs. Meghna Khude and Mr. Suraj Pawar, my passionate colleagues, vice parents, and my dearest students, good morning to one and all. Today, as we celebrate 75th Independence Day, I convey my heartiest greetings to all. It is an honor for me to stand here in front of you to say my words of thankfulness and gratitude on Independence Day. 15th August is the historic day in the history of India. 15th August holds an everlasting memory and commands the respect of every Indian. On this day, that is 15th August 1947, we got freedom from the British rule. History is an open book. It narrates us the stories of the slave nation. Slavery was a heinous curse. It sucked out the blood and the energy of our nation. The freedom that we are enjoying today is a result of decades-long struggles and sacrifices of great leaders and our forefathers. Salute to those leaders and great souls who understood the worth of independence, and they led their precious lives for us so that we can breathe freely on our motherland, India. My countrymen, Indian Army, Navy, and Air Force is a source of inspiration for all of us. We enjoy peaceful nights and fearless days. We celebrate festivals with high spirits. We live a normal life. All of this is a gift to us by our Indian soldiers. Over the past many years, we all have witnessed our soldiers' unflinching determination to go an extra mile and to put India and Indians before themselves. We are grateful and would love to give a huge shout out and our heartfelt thanks to all our Indian soldiers for what they have done to us and are doing for us and our country. We salute our soldiers' braveness and greatness for keeping us all safe against all the odds. As we celebrate our Independence Day, it would be unfair not to mention the hard work and dedication of our Corona warriors who have been at the forefront and fighting this pandemic and coming voluntarily to extend their helping hands to everyone. I would like to express my gratitude to all the doctors, nurses, health workers, police officials, municipal workers, revenue officials, NGOs, political parties, resident welfare associations, and friends from media for standing strong and shielding us throughout this pandemic. I also feel overwhelmed to compliment all you teachers. We have smoothly shifted to online teaching during this pandemic so that the learning of students is not disrupted. My countrymen, when we look back, our heads rise up with great pride. Since the day of independence to this day, our country have much developed in every sphere of life. We are advanced in technology, space research, agriculture, military, nuclear power, art, architecture, trade, sports, industries, transport, entertainment, stock exchange, and many, many more. Today, Indian youth are leading the world in engineering and technology. We are the world's largest democracy. We are politically strong and economically powerful. Today, everyone from one part of our country to the other part are chanting the slogans of Bharat Mata Ki Jai with high spirit and energy. It is indeed the spirit of freedom and love for our motherland. But we all should remember that this freedom is hard-earned. In spite of the glorious and dazzling years of success, we still have to go afar. There are still lots of challenges and hardships on our way. We have to fight against poverty, illiteracy, unemployment, epidemics, and overpopulation. We have to stand against ignorance and crimes. We have to stand for the spread of education in every corner of our country. Dear children, a huge responsibility lies upon your shoulders because you are the future, the strong pillars of our nation. So let's make commitments afresh. Let's unite and work hard. Let's forget all the differences of color, caste, creed, and gender. And let's stand together for the broader aims of prosperity, peace, equality, justice, and progress throughout our land. Let us make and fulfill the dream of our powerful and popular nation, India, possible. Once again, I extend my sincere thanks to our respectable Principal Sir, Vice Principal Madam, and supervisors for giving me this opportunity to share my views on this auspicious occasion. With this, I wind up my speech. Stay safe and cautious. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Mary Miss really should listen to her speech again and again. Enchanting. Now, as we come to the end of the function, I request the captain of our ship, our respectable, honorable, and the best orator. We can listen to him for hours together. When he speaks, it is mesmerizing. Your legs won't pain, you won't sleep, I guarantee you. Because when he speaks, you feel he should speak again and again, go on and on. For hours together, we can listen to him. Our Principal Sir, Mr. Nitiraj Pillai.
Dear staff members of St. Paul's School, St. Paul's family, my students, and our school parents. I hope you all are safe and secure during this pandemic time. The COVID-19 pandemic has halted the normal lifestyle of people across the globe, and the virtual world has come to the rescue. Amidst the deadly outbreak of COVID-19, I strongly believe that hope is strength. We are entering into new era of technology, and it is the key aspect of learning. And now time has come to focus on online learning, as it is the new methodology of teaching and learning. The concept of traditional education has changed radically as it has entered the new era, the revolution of online education. The pandemic situation has given a fillip to accelerate with online learning. Education is going to be digital in the foreseeable future. At St. Paul's, we are dedicated to a student-centered program that promotes academic excellence through an enriched and rigorous interdisciplinary curriculum. Let us promise each other in setting and reaching attainable goals, working harder and smarter, and taking our school and students' achievement to the next level of greatness. I congratulate everyone on this 75th Independence Day. Freedom does not come easily. We are all indebted to our national heroes who made this country what it is today. As a patriotic citizens, let's put extra efforts into performing our civic responsibilities. Our diversity should not be seen as a weakness, but as our greatest strength. It is only by working together that we can build a resilient and a thriving nation. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Now, to end the function, I request our Farzana Miss to extend vote of thanks.
Good morning, everybody, and wish you all a very happy Independence Day. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks. I, Mrs. Farzana Sangati, on behalf of the entire teaching and non-teaching staff, would extend my sincere thanks to our beloved Principal Sir for arranging this program for us and his inspirational thoughts. I would also like to thank our Vice Principal Ma'am, Arpana Miss, who graced the program by her presence. I would like to thank Mary Miss for her inspirational speech. I would thank Isha Miss, Manisha Miss, Sarika Miss, Dhanashri Miss, Mokashi Miss for presenting a wonderful patriotic song. I would also like to thank Meghna Miss for anchoring the entire program. I would also like to thank our supervisor, Suraj Sir, Bharat Sir, Nilesh Sir, Sushma Miss, Vishwas Uncle and Kure Uncle for taking great efforts to clean and decorate the stage for the program. And last but not the least, Kulkarni Miss, Dhani Miss, Pradnya Miss for making such beautiful Rangoli decoration for us. Thank you once again.